Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Add your card to Wallet and verify it with your bank before you shop. Open Settings and confirm Wallet is enabled on your iPhone or Apple Watch. Enable double-click side button for quick wallet access on iPhone models that support it. Ensure Face ID, Touch ID, or passcode is set for authentication and two-factor protection is active. Keep your device updated to the latest iOS and charged above 10% to avoid interruptions. If needed, add a backup card to Wallet before visiting the Apple Store. When you are ready to pay, tell the cashier you will use Apple Pay at checkout. Double-click the side button or double-press your Apple Watch to open Wallet immediately. Select the card you want by swiping within Wallet when multiple cards are present. Authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode before holding near the reader. Hold your device within about 3 inches of the contactless reader until it beeps and displays Done on the screen. Ask for a printed or emailed receipt if you want one after the transaction completes. If payment fails, restart your device and try again with Wi-Fi or cellular available. Check Wallet to confirm the card shows as verified and not expired before retrying. Use your Apple Watch or select a different card in Wallet if the first card declines at the reader. For large purchases, you may be asked to sign or use a PIN at checkout depending on bank rules. Put your device in airplane mode, briefly then re-enable wireless if the reader still misses the signal. Contact your card issuer from the Wallet card details if problems persist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.